What's poppin', homies? It's your favorite homegirl, Gossip Girl, and today I want to talk to you about the looting that happened in Buffalo, New York during the storm. Now, listen, they did catch 8 people that's connected with the looting, but it's so sad that we even talking about looting while there was a blizzard going on. People who lost their lives during the storm. And you mean to tell me there are people getting out there looting, breaking the glass to get in the store, tearing up your own community to get things that you did not even need. You didn't need any. You didn't need any of the things that you picked. A TV, cell phones, really. Let's go ahead and get into this article because it's really sad that I have to even come on here and talk about this. You know what I'm saying? It's one thing. I'm not saying looting is good because it's not. Looting is not good because you are messing up your community. But if you are trying to break in a place that could get your kids medicine or you some medicine or diapers or something that you need, that would be understandable. All right. I wouldn't like that it's happening, but I will understand it. Even food. Okay. You're in a desperate need and you need some food. And there's no stores open. So if you're going in the stores taking things, food is a necessity. Medicine, diapers, formula, okay, that kind of stuff. But you're taking couches and televisions and cell phones? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, the police in upstate New York have arrested 8 looters who ransacked shops during the snowstorm over the Christmas weekend. Now, the Buffalo Police Department announced on Tuesday that its newly formed anti-looting detail has busted suspects in connection with a series of business break-ins. The agency had not released any information about the arrested individuals as of Wednesday. Many videos have emerged on social media showing heartless thieves ransacking stores and stripping shelves of merchandise during the winter storm. Now, Kathy Hochul, she dubbed the storm and called it the blizzard of the century, which has also left 34 people dead. And it could be more as the snow starts to melt. Additional footage released by the local police on Facebook displays the chaotic aftermath of the looters' actions with piles of debris, knocked down shelves, discarded packaging, litter, or, trash all over the aisles of the local businesses, even windows being smashed. This isn't people stealing food and medicine and diapers. And that was said by the Buffalo Police Commissioner on Tuesday. They are destroying stores. They are stealing televisions, couches, whatever they can get their hands on. Now, in a press conference on Monday, Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown called the looters the lowest of the low. People who are out looting when people are losing their lives in this harsh winter storm, is just absolutely crazy. I don't know how these people can even live with themselves. How can they look at themselves in the mirror? And you know what? People, they probably doesn't see anything wrong with it at all. One of the stores believed to have been targeted by the shameless bandits was Rick's Sports Apparel. A Family Dollar store was also plundered Monday. The historic blizzard dumped more than 4 feet of snow on Buffalo, trapping residents at home or in their cars in frigid temperatures. It also caused widespread air travel disruptions, leading to thousands of flights, cancellations, and delays. Now, with all of this going on, you're out there looting. You're out there taking. You're out there breaking windows, stealing. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You're taking TVs and couches. Couches. Do you know how many people it takes to help get a couch out of the stores? So that probably means you see people, 2 or 3 people carrying the couch in the snow, in the storm. that it bothers me, because it's like, come on, people, now we got to do better than this. Come on. I don't care who you are. This is the time where you should be trying to help somebody get out their car and get them to safety, or ask them if they need anything. It's a winter, it's a blizzard, damn it, and you're out here looting. I can't, I just don't understand. I just don't understand it. I really don't. I really don't. You're looting while there's a blizzard. And yes, these stores have insurance, but come on. When all this snow clears, you got to go into that same community and buy things from this store. Do you have any shame at all? That was not the time to take anything like that. It's not the time to loot at all. But if you had to loot, I'm pretty sure people will understand if you were looking for food, water, medicine, diapers, formula, something that you need. Not something that you want, but something that you need for you and your household. Oh, Lord, I just don't understand. I just don't understand. There's so much going on in Buffalo, with all these deaths, and people are trying to help other people because some of their family members got lost out there. But then you have the other few that's out here just looting. You gotta get up and go in these stores, when you need something. And to see it ransacked and messed up, you're making it hard for the people that own the stores. Like I said, yes, they have insurance, but who wants to deal with that? I just don't understand. I really don't. I just don't understand. All right, you guys, that's all I have about the looting. I did want to come back and talk to you about it because I know I mentioned it in my other video about the looting that was going on. So here's the update from that video. You guys, let me know how you guys feel about this in the comment section, because I can't be the only one that feels like this is wrong. It's wrong. And it just feels weird and terrible. That's how I feel about it. It just pisses me off. There are other things out there happening during this storm, during this brutal ass blizzard, and people are worried about a TV, a cell phone, a couch. I don't know. All right, you guys. I will talk to you later.